I'm Keisha Charmaine and I'm back, here to show you my baby hair routine. Now for the most part, I don't touch them. This is how they look when I have a fresh retwist. I barely have any baby hairs, but you can still see there's some there, and they tend to only really fall on my forehead when I have a fresh retwist. Otherwise, my hairline tends to look like this if I don't tie my hair up to go to sleep or anything like that, and I can't say that I'm the most disciplined in that area because I'm very comfortable with how my hair is. Even though I have satin pillowcases, I don't tie down my edges every night because I don't always care for a fresh look, and that's okay. But there are times when I do want a really sleek look, and that is when I will do this routine. Now I'm spraying my hair with my herbal mist, which is not available yet, so stay tuned and find out when my herbal mist will be available. But you can just use regular water as well. That's what I just did. I wet my hands and I put it on my roots along my hairline, and I just like slick my hair back with it a little bit. I don't want it to be dripping wet. See, I'm repping my brand, Love, Light, and Locs. You can always get merch from my Teespring shop down below. It's not on my website, but it's on my Teespring. So then I just tie my hair with a silk or satin scarf to let my hair dry. And once it dries, my hair is very flat. And what that does is it really helps me to pull my little baby hairs out from the rest of my adult hairs. And when my hair is not flat like this, it's going to be really difficult. I tend to grab full-grown hairs when I'm just trying to grab my baby hairs. Because remember, I don't have a lot of baby hairs at all. So my hair has to be pretty sleek for me to be able to do this. And then I just grab a toothbrush to pull some of the baby hairs down a little bit. And then I reach for my gel. Now this is lock-in gel. I know it's not very accessible to a lot of people, but I would say the equivalent is My Gel by Joey. I believe that's how you say it. I'm not sure. And then I just use a little bit. A little bit goes a long way. And yeah, that gel is really good. I like to use on my retwists as well when I want a really firm retwist, which is not very often, but sometimes I want a really firm retwist and I use it. And it is expensive, but it has a really firm hold, so it's worth it. And it's a really big jar. A little bit goes a long way. You can also use it as your edge control. So then after I applied it all over, I get my brush and I just brush the baby hairs in place. And, I don't do any of those cool, trendy baby hairstyles that people like to do because I just don't have that many baby hairs. And not only do I not have that many, they're not that long for me to like do so much to it. So I just, flow them to the side, whichever side they will naturally go towards. I just brush them that way. And I try to make them neat. And this is what I like to do. Again, I don't do it very often, but when I do it, I think it's really cute. So very often I would just leave it like this and just go and call it a day. Or I'll put my scarf back on to really make the gel set. And that is it. That is what I do. Now, if you are looking for a product to help thicken out your hairline and your edges, or even thinning spots throughout your scalp, definitely check out my emu oil available at KeishaCharmaine.com. The emu oil growth drops. I've gotten great reviews. Check out the testimonials on my Instagram. I'll soon be putting those testimonials on my website as well, so they'll be more easily accessible for those of you who don't have Instagram. I've gotten a lot of great testimonials from my customers, so definitely check them out and read about the product on my site, www.KeishaCharmaine.com. Thank you so much for watching. Love, Light, and Locs. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and remember to subscribe. You can always visit www.KeishaCharmaine.com for hair growth products, hair accessories, and more. But don't leave just yet. Check out my featured video and my latest video.